Hello YouTube, this is the unboxing of my new Tisa snapbacks, and yeah, they just arrived like 10 minutes ago. So when I looked in the box, like, I didn't order two of them, I only ordered one of them. So I mean, they gave me another one. So hold on. So basically, the soy sauce one, you know, well, fuck. There's one right here, and then there's a Raiders one. See Raiders? Yeah. Let's see the signs on the middle one. See the monster in its eyebrows. See the inside stitching, and I guess it says Team Apparel Reebok, so I guess it's a Reebok one. But yeah, I mean, the stitch is great on it. This is great compared to that one. I originally ordered this one, but they gave me this one with it. Soy socks one. But this one's nice too. I like this one. But the matcha on it's good. The Tisa stitching on this one's good. This one's a American Needles, I guess. But yeah. So tell me what you think. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace.